Guys, we're 31 floors up and we are here at Echo for the Samsung Flip Phone series. Look at this view. The phones are on this side. We got the Fold 5 and we got the Flip 5. On this table, we also have the watch series.
So this is our Flip 5 phone. Basically, the Flip 5 phone is more for stylish people who want to style themselves more, and it fits in your pocket very nice.
Like a makeup compact. If I touch, it just takes a snapshot. What can we expect from this phone?
So first of all, the processor itself. So the processor is Snapdragon 8 version 2, which is the fastest processor in the market now. Second, the camera itself. The best thing about this one, if I click this, and you can see I can snap the picture of a person while he's on the screen. For example, if I want to do multitask in my phone, watch videos, and I can work on here.
Look, you can watch kind of like a movie. It's really cool.